Hi friends, do you know which are acids and which are bases? Today we are gonna know which are acids and which are bases to detect cabbage indicator. These are the solutions that I have used for this experiment. Lemon water, vinegar, soda, tap water, toothpaste solution, baking soda solution and bleach. And this is the red cabbage indicator. So when we pour the red cabbage indicator into the lemon water, it changes into reddish color, dark red in color. To vinegar, it changes into light reddish color. To soda, it changes into violet in color. For the tap water, the indicator takes the color of the indicator. The toothpaste solution turns into bluish color. The baking soda solution turns into greenish color. And the bleach turns into yellowish color. So the tap water is neutral, while the pH value below 7 that are sour are called acids, and they turn into from reddish to violet in color. So the pH value above 7 are called acids. These color changes from bluish to yellowish color. So today we learned that these are the acids and these are the bases. Thank you. So we made the red cabbage indicated using this red cabbage. We took off the layers, then kept in the grinder. We put some water, then when we grinded it, after grinding it, we strained it so that if there are small particles, they would go. So this is how we made the red cabbage indicator. Now my brother would like to do the experiment. Miss Deaton, I'm LKG head section from Sky School. This is the cabbage indicator. To add the cabbage indicator into baking soda, it turns blue.